What's up, guys? We are back. We're doing another one. Creating the watch list for tomorrow as we were fucking really accurate again. The super accuracy is getting a little crazy, but we do it. We're running it up, making money every day. You can get rid of this whole thing. I'll keep Veil and those two on there. But yeah, but we're gonna use the pink again. Pink is our new favorite color, as we are making money with these pink plays. So yeah, let's get into it. I just wanna make sure I got. Just wanna take this, copy it. I realize that I haven't been adding tags to my videos. Someone told me that, so I'm just gonna make sure I add a few tags. Probably put this in a live trading playlist so you guys know. But anyways, let's get into it. Obviously, we're going to our 232 stocks plays. We did end up calling ATOS. I know I said I wouldn't call this as a low cap stock, but I've been waiting for this breakout for a few days now. I ended up calling it. I ended up running 30%. It's actually up 5% after hours, which it says that on Webull. Webull's more accurate. We got the bid, so it's at 630. So we're actually probably up a little over 35% on that right now, which is pretty sweet. And the only thing I'm gonna add, I'm not gonna change anything. Our stop loss, I'm probably gonna just put that. Let's go to the weekly so if I can see anything. What's the price at? Okay, we'll just put the stop loss below the last wick. Okay, so let's do it. Let's get into it. Perfect. We don't have to change anything with upstart. As you can see, you know, if it breaks over the level we got going, let me delete one of these. I think I have a lot. Delete this too. And that's notified anyways. So this level 172.88 breaks that. We're gonna buy calls. And it's at like enough where I'm gonna put this on the watch list just because it's close enough we can get a close strike. It doesn't have to go up that much. So that looks good. Mara looks very good. Just don't like Bitcoin at the moment, and it's probably gonna get shorted. So we're gonna add this alert by puts. Okay, I already did it. I think I did that earlier. Buy puts on Mara if it does drop indeed, but Bitcoin is crashing at the moment, so, and it's on a perfect level to crash even more. MBIS, this is indeed a good trade. We're just gonna bring that thing up a little bit more. Actually, I like the how much money is that? It's a few dollars. So since it is a few dollars before the second resistance, we can play it a short play. But I'm gonna add that in there. VNet, we already have puts on that, so if it breaks this level, we're buying puts. Plug power looks like it broke out. Past the level we wanted it to break out at, so I'm just gonna add an alert above the high that it's at right now. If it breaks that high, obviously buy calls. And it just continue. It's a trend continuation, so I'm gonna add that to the list. I'm not doing nothing. Same thing with snow. It broke out. If it breaks out above the previous high, trend continuation. Get in that. Muds looks like trash. So X, this is actually in the verge of breaking out too. So if it breaks over this level right here, we're gonna add a buy call signal. See if we can get anything in there. And like guys, if so, let me teach you something real quick. I'm gonna go over with General Motors because this was the only L of today. Um, just go over the trade. So if we go to the 15 seconds, probably be a little more helpful. Understand. Okay. So we get the alert. This is how the alert works. This would be a minute right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 minute. This is a 15-second time frame. So you always look at the 1 minute chart, and you're not going to enter this trade until the whole minute has settled. So this was the end of the the end of the last minute. Then we had the 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, a minute. This trade never should have been entered, but what I did was I entered right when I was alerted at the first 15 seconds, hit this high, hit this, and then it hit this. Okay, it went under the line. So right as I saw it go under the line, didn't even take me a second of hesitation. I closed the trade. Doesn't matter if it was for a $50 loss. It doesn't matter. Because what I knew afterwards, it was going to fall more. Continuation to a fall. If it doesn't break the trend, it's a fall. It's going to fall. And same thing. So let's go to the 1 minute. Let's just say, oh, it's a 1 second. Let's just say it did break, broke over, held, but then the next candle slips down. This resistance right here, guys, is the stop loss. If it breaks under for a full minute, you're selling the trade. End of story. You're selling the trade no matter what. Okay. Just wanted to break that down for everybody so they know, if that happens, you're selling the trade 100%. Nothing matters. Okay. See another breakout here. Buy calls, crossing up once per bar. Buy calls. Okay. Breaks under there. Buy puts. DKNG fucking slapped the floor today. That was amazing. PLTR looking pretty bullish. Breaks over. You know the deal. Buy calls. And we're just literally looking at levels and it breaking levels, and we're going for like 30 to 50% gains. Even less than that is totally fine. Solo is literally following the pattern I drew up. Broke out, and it's going to run. It broke this trend. It's coming to this level, and then it's probably going to get rejected. More than likely going to get rejected. Moderna, already got the alert set. Literally, if it breaks this top again, it's going to do another nice run. And we're going to bring this down to actually right here, so it just breaks the top of the day. We're going to see a run. Net isn't ready, I don't think. So we're not going to put an entry point there. Fiverr does look very good. So if it breaks this high, we'll buy calls. So I did call this in the morning, CVAC. It broke this level, but the only thing was the contracts were all wonky, so I didn't call it. But if you watch the live stream, like I did say, it's a good trade to enter. Contracts are all wonky though, so that's the only thing. Neo, it's a good call. We're just gonna raise this up. So if it breaks the level, of course, enter the calls. Let me bring that as close as we possibly can to the trend. I like Neo. I'm putting that on the list. Lemonade looks very good, like very good. The alert set, so we're chilling. OSTK, Pen, they look good. It just, we're gonna have a lot of calls tomorrow. I don't want to have too many. Fastly, still doing amazing, still clearing the trend. Okay. This is gonna be a big ass move tomorrow. If we get a 5% move on this, it'd be huge. Add that. God, I feel like I'm getting carpal tunnel. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know what that company does. Not risking it. Okay, pins looks very well. Breaks over this top. It's not even that big of a move either, so we're just gonna add that in there. And like, I literally just hope you guys see what I'm doing. Just breaking tops. That's literally it. Just breaking tops, hitting new all-time highs. I really like this MGM because when MGM breaks out, usually surges and wicks, so it's gonna be a quick in and out play. Damn, Clove ran. eBay still waiting for the breakout there. Big lots broke out. I thought it was gonna break down. Never got the alert though, so it broke out. Good play. Facebook, we'll just move it up. So if it breaks higher, get in Facebook. CCIV with the absolute breakout, we can look for $33 next stop. So if roadblocks breaks under here, I'm buying puts. Twitter breaks above by calls. Lulu, literally same thing. I'm not even gonna move the alert if it breaks above. We're gonna just buy calls again. GM, same thing. It breaks above. Seems getting rejected every time. We'll just move it up a little bit more, but market looks very bullish. Microsoft right off the trend. I don't feel like swinging anything right now, so Wayfair. If it breaks out above here, buying calls. Wayfair is a big mover too. Like if it does break this, it's gonna go 7-8%. So Bitcoin about to fall off. About to fall off. Watch it. Don't be buying Bitcoin right now. Dude, Coca-Cola is just fucking rocking and rolling. Oh my god. Breaks through that again. Buy puts. I'm stupid. Oh my god, I said close Veil, and I thought this. Oh god, this Veil's gonna pump tomorrow. Like if it, it's gonna pump tomorrow. God damn it! I told everyone to close. Shit. My fault. Okay, well. Okay. Well, I think that's all the positions. I don't know how I end up with 7 every single time. Like I don't even count that at all. So what do we got? We got upstart calls, plug calls, snow calls, neo calls, TTD calls, MGM calls, and Roblox calls. And my buddy's calling me. I'll call him back. So let me just write this in there for the group. All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you in any way. If it did, leave a like. Really appreciate it. And also, the course is now $100 forever. Never changing it. Low room's always gonna be 25 bucks. Um, and you can check me out live day trading if you want. But I do post exclusive alerts in my alert room. So, all right.